Thinking about leaving Beehiiv? Whether you're switching to a new platform or just taking a break, deleting your Beehiiv account can feel a bit confusing if you've never done it before. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can remove your account safely and confidently without wasting time. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the official Beehiiv website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner and click Login. If you normally sign in with Google, just hit Sign In with Google. It makes the process faster and saves you from entering your password. After you're logged in, look again at the top right corner. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it and a menu will appear. From there, select Account Security. This is where Beehiiv stores all your privacy and safety settings. So if you're ever unsure, double check that you're in the section labeled Account Security. Inside that section, scroll until you see a link that says, "Take me to my workspace settings." Click it. This will open a page that controls everything about your Beehiiv workspace, including the option to delete it. Once you're in workspace settings, scroll to the very bottom. You'll find an option labeled Delete Workspace. Before you click it, take a moment to be sure deleting your workspace also deletes your profile and all associated data. So if there's anything you want to save, emails, subscriber lists, content, make sure you back it up first. If you're ready to move forward, click delete and confirm your decision. This final confirmation permanently removes your Beehiiv account, so be certain before you proceed. And that's it. You've officially deleted your Beehiiv account. Simple, clean, and done. If anything doesn't look right or you run into issues, Beehiiv's customer support is always there to help. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you out, feel free to check out my other tutorials for more quick and straightforward tech tips.